Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video for probably the most highly anticipated title of this Black Friday record store day. This is the Rolling Stones' Let It Bleed. Now, when they announced this at a retail price of $99.99, I really anticipated a really deluxe packaging copy of Let It Bleed. So when this showed up today, about an hour ago, I couldn't help myself. I had to stop and do a video immediately because I'm absolutely blown away that they are charging $100 for this. This is ridiculous. There's already been 2 copies sold on eBay for over $300. And for $300, somebody is going to get a basic jacket with a red obi that says limited collector's edition. Now granted, there are only 900 of these, but I am just flabbergasted that this is a $99.99 record. I'm guessing it's going to look quite spectacular inside. It says that this is a hand-poured record. And let's see. Let's see what the hype is on this. They're using layers of color on top of one another to create a truly unique edition. As a result, each piece is a one-of-a-kind, distinctive in design, like almost every single splatter wax record you will ever buy. But yeah, so let's see what $100 will get you this record store day, Black Friday. On a side note, this is also extremely heavily allocated. You got to think there are thousands of indie stores around the United States, many thousands more across the world. There are 900 of these, and everybody that I know that owns a record store ordered 100 of these things. Most record stores got 0. The most I can tell you any one record store that, to my knowledge, got of this was 1. So, yes, if you were planning on getting this, it is not going to be easy. More than likely, you are not going to even be able to find this on record store day. But let's see what you're getting for $100 on record store day. All right, the big reveal. I'm hyped. I'm pumped. See, this was originally announced, I believe, record store day, the standard record store day, earlier this year, and it was delayed until Black Friday. Okay. Ooh, look. We get a generic paper sleeve. Oh, this is... Oh, yes. There you go, folks. $100. American. $100. If you can find it at a store. If you're that unfortunate sap that bought it on eBay for $300, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, so I mean, yeah, it looks really cool. It is a cool looking record that comes in a generic paper sleeve. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got a certificate of authenticity. Yes, this is number 613. Got a little Keith Richards quote on here. You got my heart, you got my soul, I got your money. That's not what it says, but it's kind of the feeling, right? Yeah. So, I had to do this video. I got to tell you, the other videos coming up, there's a ton of killer record store day stuff I've seen. Some of the stuff just looks awesome. I'm going to do a lot more videos. But yeah, I got to say, as a record store owner, I feel bad. Bad that I ended up paying, $100 for this. But bad that anybody would ask $100 for this. This is a crime against the vinyl community. But yeah, I'm Mike. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All of this record store day stuff that is not sold within the store, we open the store at 8 o'clock Arizona time, and everything that is not sold within the store will be available on our website at www.theingroove.com at 1 o'clock Eastern time. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.